Hi, friends. Today, we're going to talk about those moments when we feel timid, when something seems so scary that it's hard to face. Feeling timid can be unpleasant, but it's also a natural way for our body to tell us to be careful. The good news is, there are ways we can prevent or reduce that timid feeling so we can tackle challenges and feel braver. Let's dive in. Imagine you're about to try something new, like speaking in front of the class or climbing a tall ladder at the playground. Your heart is racing and you're thinking, what if I mess up? That's the feeling of being timid. Now, let's talk about how we can work through it. First, let's think about this. Is the situation really as scary as it feels? Sometimes, our minds make things seem scarier than they are. Take a deep breath and ask yourself, what's the most realistic thing that could happen? We can also use our imagination to help us feel braver. Close your eyes and picture yourself confronting your fear and succeeding. Imagine climbing that ladder step by step and feeling proud when you reach the top. Another powerful tool is positive self-talk. Try calling yourself by name and giving yourself a pep talk. For example, Emma, you've got this. You can do hard things. It might sound silly, but it really works. Sometimes it helps to get curious about feeling timid. What does it feel like in your body? Does it start in your stomach or maybe in your chest? What happens when you notice those feelings early? When you pay attention to them, they might not feel so overwhelming. Another great strategy is to make a plan. If you know you might feel timid in a certain situation, think ahead. What can you do to feel more confident? Maybe practice your presentation in front of a mirror or ask a friend to help. Lastly, don't forget to ask for help. Whether it's a friend, family member, or a teacher, having someone by your side can make a big difference. Together, you can face the challenge and feel braver. Great job, everyone! Feeling timid is a part of life, but with these strategies, you can work through it and face your fears. Remember, bravery doesn't mean never being scared. It means taking a step forward, even when you are. I can't wait to hear how you use these tools to overcome timid moments. Thanks for learning with me today, friends. Keep practicing these strategies, and soon you'll be tackling challenges with courage and confidence. See you next time.